In this video, we discuss the recent judgment by the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Allahabad in the case of Customs Appeal numbers 70635, 70636, and 70637 of 2025. The appeals were filed by MS Concours CFS and appellants, challenging the penalties imposed by the Principal Commissioner of Customs, Noida, under various sections of the Customs Act, 1962, and the Handling of Cargo in Customs Areas Regulations, 2009. The case revolved around allegations of improper handling of export containers and the use of dummy export applications and shipping bills. However, the tribunal found that the penalties were imposed based on inadmissible evidence and incorrect findings. The tribunal referred to the case Appellant vs. Commissioner of Customs, 2013, 294, ELT 353, Delhi, which emphasized the importance of following the procedure under Section 138B of the Customs Act for admitting statements as evidence. Additionally, the tribunal cited Appellant vs. Commissioner of Customs, Jaipur, 2017, 349, ELT 309, Tribunal Delhi, which clarified that Section 158(2) is an enabling provision and not a penal one. Ultimately, the tribunal ruled that the penalties imposed under Sections 114A, 117, and 158(2) of the Customs Act, as well as Regulation 12(8), were not sustainable due to the lack of evidence and absence of mala fide intent. The judgment sets a significant precedent for similar cases, emphasizing the importance of proper legal procedures and evidence in adjudication. All three appeals were allowed, and the penalties were set aside. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.